If you are a beginner video editor looking for a powerful yet user-friendly tool, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I will be giving you 5 practical reasons why Davinci Resolve should be your go-to editing software. Let's dive into it right now. I know you are tired of using complicated editing softwares. You want to produce high-quality videos without the headache of a steep learning curve. Then stick around because I've got 5 reasons for you why Davinci Resolve is the best choice for you. The first reason why Davinci Resolve is the best editing software for beginners is its intuitive user interface. With its user-friendly layout and easy-to-use tools, navigating through the software is a breeze. No more spending hours trying to figure out how to use a feature or a tool. Davinci Resolve puts everything you need right at your fingertips, allowing you to edit your videos quickly and efficiently. Let's say you're working on a project and you need to make quick adjustments to the color grading. With Davinci Resolve, you can easily make these adjustments with just a few clicks. Its color grading tools are some of the best in the industry. And with its intuitive layout, you'll be able to make necessary changes to your video in no time. The second reason why Davinci Resolve is the best editing software for beginners is its affordability. While other video editing software can cost a small fortune, Davinci Resolve is completely free to download and use. That's right, you've heard that correctly. You can download Davinci Resolve for free and get access to all of its powerful features without having to spend a single dime. So you're just starting out as a video editor and you don't have a lot of money to invest in expensive software. With Davinci Resolve, you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. You can download it for free and start editing right away without sacrificing the features you need to produce high-quality videos. Now, the third reason why Davinci Resolve is the best video editing software for beginners like you is that it's versatile. Whether you are working on a short film, a music video, or a corporate video, it doesn't matter because Davinci Resolve has everything you need to get the job done. Its comprehensive set of tools allow you to edit and manipulate your footage the way you see fit, giving you complete creative control. Let's say you're working on a music video and you need to add some special effects to your footage. With Davinci Resolve, you can easily add these effects using its powerful visual effects tools. Whether you need to add explosions, fire, lightning, Davinci Resolve has everything you need to create stunning visual effects. Reason number 4 why Davinci Resolve is the best editing software for beginners is because it's fast, super fast. With its powerful processing capabilities and real-time playback, you can edit your videos quickly and efficiently. Get this, no more waiting hours for your footage to render or playback. With Davinci Resolve, you can edit your videos in real time, saving you time and frustration. Say you're working on a project with a tight deadline, right? And you need to edit your footage quickly. With Davinci Resolve, you don't have to worry about slow rendering, laggy playback. Its high-speed processing capabilities allow you to edit your videos in real time, ensuring that you meet your deadline without compromising on quality. Now, the fifth and final reason why Davinci Resolve is the best editing software for beginners is its community. Davinci Resolve has the largest and active community of users who are always willing to help you out with any questions or problems that you might have. Whether you're looking for tips on color grading or need help troubleshooting an issue, Davinci Resolve community is there to support you. Say you're stuck on a particular feature or tool and don't know how to use it. With Davinci Resolve's community, you can easily find tutorial forums on YouTube and other resources like this to help you out. You can even connect to other video editors and learn from their experiences and insights, making your journey as a video editor much smoother. Now, recently, Sam Calder and Peter McKinnon changed from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve, and that is a big plus for the community because you can learn directly from them by watching their YouTube videos. Resolve's intuitive user interface, affordability, versatility, speed, and community make it a perfect choice for anyone starting out in video editing. Now, if you want to be a pro editor, You can watch these videos right here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that we can all learn, create, and share. See you on the next video. Ciao!